This is Mike. He is a stock market trader who is looking to create a trading system. But he isn't quite sure how to do it. He searched online to see if he could find any information. At first, he did not find anything worthwhile. Then, he found a review from Financial Markets Education. The review was for a training module that describes all the steps needed to create a trading system. Mike worked hard with learning the modules and he felt confident that he learned the needed information correctly. When he dug in with creating his trading system, he found it much easier due to the training he worked through. Mike is now using his trading system thanks to the training he got on how to create a system the right way. His trading returns have skyrocketed, and he is glad he took the time to properly learn the steps needed to get the system running. Nice job, Mike. You can learn just like Mike did on how to set up your trading system. Who knows? Maybe you'll even do better than he did. Learn how to implement your trading system today.